This is the demonstration of Smartpower swing door motor SW100 model. This is the SW100 model. First I will show you the wiring diagram. This is the power supply transformer, and these two wire, black and red, are going to the electromagnetic lock. This is the optional lock. If you want to connect the optional lock, you can connect. If you don't connect this lock, still the system will work, the gate will be locked, but not very tightly locked. If you want to make the lock very tightly, then you have to use a external EM lock. These are the four wire. Green is the common, yellow is B open. B open means outside open, and A open means inside open. A open is now not connected, and this black and red is the power supply. These are the two wire shorted, synchronous input and output are shorted. It is default shorted. Now I will show you the other features. You can see here are the 6 pot, the blue color pot, 6 number of pots. Close buffer distance, open buffer distance. Close buffer distance, open buffer distance means how much the gate will open and then slowly will become slow. So that is the, if you want to open 60 degree and then want to make it slow, you can change the degree, 60 degree or 70 degree. So these two are not to be touched. This one is the close speed, this is the open speed. This one is the opening time. After opening, how much time the gate will be open. So this is the opening time. And this is the buffer speed. Buffer speed means after the buffer distance, say 60 degree or 70 degree, it will become what speed, slow or fast. You can change the speed. Normally these are the parameters not to be touched, and these are the 4 dip switch. Normally this to be all to the down condition. This is lock automatically, lock by signal. If you put it up, then it will be lock automatically. Now it is lock by signal. So this is the SW100 model. There is the power supply to 230 volt. Power connection is given here. Now this is the inside fitting. This one is the inside fitting. Door is inside, and this small clamp is the inside clamp. And this is the system. You have to put 3 screws to keep it fixed on the door. This is a wireless push switch. This is the remote controller, and this is the hand scanner. In this video, we have connected from the inside the wireless push switch, and the hand scanner is connected from the outside, not inside. If I show you the accessories, if you want to connect the motor from outside, then you have to use this clamp. Now we are using it from the inside, so the small clamp is used. This bigger clamp is not used. These are the other accessories. This is the base plate on which the motor should be installed. For training, we have done the installation directly on the wall, but it should be on always on the base plate. This is the cover for the arm, and there is also cover, big size cover for the complete system. Now I will show you the operation. If I press the remote A, door will be opened one time, and it will not close down. It will remain open. If I press the B button, is the auto mode, then it will be in the automatic mode. After open, the door will be closing. In the C button, I press, it will open, and after a predefined time of waiting, it will close down. It is closing down. Now D is the button for locking the door. If I press D, and then somebody wants to go from inside pushing the wireless push switch, he or she can go, no problem. It will work. But when I come to outside, and I want to use from outside, I want to use the hand scanner. I'm pressing the button D, and now it is locked. If I use the hand scanner, the door will not open. But from inside wireless push switch, if I press the button, it will be open. Now I am removing the button D and making it in the auto mode. Now if I touch it, it will open. This is the EM lock. Extra EM lock is connected. If you connect the extra EM lock, the locking strength will be more. Even without the EM lock, the door is locked, but it will be, if you push very hard, the door can break or can open. But if you use the EM lock as an extra precaution, door will be fully tight and nobody can open it. So this is about the demonstration of the Smartpower SW100 model swing door motor, and this is the manual. In the page number 13, you will find all the details. Any problem, go to www.smartpower.co.in or call 98311 55801. Thank you.
उसको तो निकालना पड़ेगा भाई।